Alright everyone, it is me, the Soulless Rider. We are done with the oil change, so here's a little loop on it. Alright, don't want to go too fast because I got my wallet and my AirPods in my pocket and I'm wearing like pants. So I'm not gonna rip too hard, but there's a little rip. Oh, dead raccoon, great. Alright, so we're heading to class. Well, not really class, but supplemental instruction. Not for math this time, guys, trust. This time it's for physics. I am doing a lot better, I think, in physics, but it is still a good idea to just go to the SSI, especially since we have a exam coming up on Tuesday. So, yeah, I'm gonna go head over to this, meet up with some friends, hang out with them for a while, and then after that, I'm gonna head to the gym. So, I'll probably just add more and more videos to this. So, there should be content. I just need to actually do stuff with it. Oh, getting a call. I don't remember which button it is. Hello? Who's this? Who's this? I'm on my bike. I can't really look at my phone. Oh, it's Malachi. What's up? Yeah, I'm out on my bike right now. I'm heading over to the campus. Yeah, what time is it? I'll be over there soon, trust. Yeah, I will. I'll get there a little late, but that's fine. Alright, have a good one. Alright, so oh yeah. So you see what I mean? See what I was talking about, like the cops? But that's another one. That's like the 5th one I've seen today. I swear, guys, I'm not a criminal. I'm not doing anything. Trust me. I'm not doing bad stuff. I'm just riding my bike, guys. No need to pull me over, please. I don't want to get a ticket. That's not fun. Okay, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my friend Malachi. No, not really. He just called me because he's one of the friends I'm meeting up with, and I am really behind. I think I've said it before, but like this clock's wrong, so it is not 6:48. It's I think it's 16 minutes behind, so it's probably already like 6. It's like an hour ahead, but 16 minutes behind. So I'll have to like actually fix that. So I'll do that too. So fix that. Go to my class thingy, my bobber, and then go to the gym. Those are the plans for tonight. Pre-workout in the bag. I probably should have got some carbs or something, but I did not. So, yeah. Great. I don't know, the difficult part about making videos, guys, is like sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about or to talk about. like right now, I'm just kind of riding, and I don't really care to talk about anything. But like, I can't just have a. I mean, I could, but that's lame. Like just having the videos where it's just audio. Damn. People just don't know what green means, do they? Yikes. If only I lived somewhere where people knew what green meant. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, so the real like issue here is that I don't know what to talk about sometimes. Like right now, that's kind of why I'm just rambling on and on about the most random stuff. It's because I deadass do not know what to talk about. So you guys just kind of get whatever is on my mind. And right now, it's this supplemental instruction class thingy. So, yeah, good fun in that. As long as this microphone doesn't fall out, I'm fine. I don't care. Honestly, I could go this way. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. So yeah, back on campus, guys, relatively speaking, because like, it's like right there. I guess this is campus street. Great. I get a red light. Do I run the red guy? No, I'm just kidding. That's not smart at all. I will in fact not be running the red, you know, because I kind of care about, you know, finishing my education and stuff. So, will not in fact be running red. Have a little bit of fun though. This one will be later. Oh, okay. I made it like a video with one of my friends. I kind of had him as an anonymous guest. I still haven't posted that either. So that video that one's like a quick one. That one's like an Instagram thing. But either way, I'll be hanging out with him later. Hopefully there's parking over here, because sometimes there's not, and that's just not good. Not fun when there's not parking over here. I don't know. I just used like the interesting parts of this video. Otherwise, I'm here, so I'm gonna wait for this guy to come by. But yeah, look. Parking. Good parking. So I have to go to Ross Hall. That's over here, relatively speaking. So, we're here. Thank y'all for watching. I'll probably add more. Or, I'll figure it out. Because I need to edit stuff. But, yeah. Alright, have a good one.